So we've just negotiated a series of trains into a town called Poprad in Slovakia, none of which are in English, mostly in Dothraki, but we've managed to get to our flat. Is the best way you can describe it. I'd say one horse town, that's probably generous, but the flat itself is very nice. Library, cooking area, 2 singles. So we're here for the apparent mountain scenery and hiking. I'm hoping with the drone we can recreate something like that. Some small dogs. Meg, I had no idea of the extent of your fashion empire. Reaching here to Poprad. So we're in the middle of town now and it's looking less one-horsey. Hey Meg.
Hi Karen.
It's got sort of like a Austrian Alps feel to it. If you look around, sort of up the street over there.
Ice cream.
Not sure what it is about the house. The reason we're here is to do some of the hikes and try and get some drone shots of those crystal clear blue lakes you saw in the photos. And hang on, this is where we're heading. All the way up there, the highest mountains in Slovakia. We found a place that serves Slovakia. I guess in Slovakia it's not surprising, but they also have dry white wine.
Cheers.
Cheers, Malia. Right, we've arrived up in the High Tatras. Most everyone is dressed far warmer than we are. We're dressed for Clifton. Everyone else is dressed for the Himalayas. Let's take a look at these mountains. Looks pretty cloudy. Show us where we're going, Meg. Is that it?
That's where we are.
That's where we are.
Maybe up here.
We finally found a route to go up. Looks like it's clearing. 4-hour hike. We're 51 minutes into our hike at an elevation of 1500 meters, and it's been tough. It's been very steep, but it's beautiful. So the goal is somewhere up there at around 1900 meters. We got a place called Batiskove Pleso. Pleso means town, which as we know now is what, Meg?
Lake.
A small mountain lake. Seriously though, from our hour up here, I can't recommend this place enough. If you ever happen to be in and around Poprad, Slovakia, it's quite frankly, it's unbelievable up here. I mean, I think the bottom of the mountain's there's Poprad. That's 700 meters of climbing so far. Whoa, 200 meters more. Hopefully we got some views to show for it. Look at the scenery. This is just ridiculous. Behold, Batiskove Pleso. To arrive here at the lake, 900 meters of climbing almost down behind us. Yeah, what a time. So after that first hike and lunch and chill, we've started hike 2, which is supposed to be a 450 meter descent, but so far we've only gone up 80, but one cannot complain. I think, yeah, that's one of the lakes we're going to be going to, Strupska Pleso I think, and there's a whole lot of hotels. Hang on, I mean it's pretty far away. Other legs. Legs. Crazy scenery. So I just sent the drone out for the first time. Again, I must apologize for not going up with the drone in Prague. It was a bit weathery, but with this view, I'm expecting the drone stuff to be excellent. So here we go. about 500 meters of descent. Time got away from us a little bit today, so all's well that ends well. What are you gazing at?
So tired.
The past. So this is Strupska Plesha, nice little mountain lake. I think we were up there yesterday. I think that's where we flew the drone, sort of behind that. And that is a ski jump sport that Eddie the Eagle does.